Good morning. It's Wednesday, February 8th, and I am back in an electric bus. Bus of the day is bus number 44. I've done video on this bus. This is showing my control panel for the morning. Back it up. My full air pressure. My efficiency meter. That's this thing over here, showing it's in the middle. It's engaged. Got to engage it to do parts of the pre-trip. Shows the total mileage on the bus. I'm at 82.6 miles before I'm empty. Time is wrong. It's in park. Anytime the parking brake is on, it's in park. Shows that my tank is full. Shows my juice is there. And then that's the temperature for the batteries on that side. I got 14.4 volts. And I'm going to have a nice sunrise this morning. I'm in the electric bus corral. That's one of our electric buses over there. One van's back in the shop and the other one's here. It's the spare. So, we'll see what today has in mind for us. Adjusting the pedals down. Keep forgetting I have that privilege in these buses. Hey, bus is enabled. Away we go. Okay, get away from the other buses. Now someone wants to come out. Today, my wife and I are both in electric buses. Both of our buses are needed for field trips outside the range of an electric bus. So, the electric bus drivers get to drive our buses for the day. And we get to drive theirs. Who honked? You put my hood down. Got a phone call, so I had to stop filming because phone can't walk and chew gum, or can't film at the same time you're on the phone. So that's awkward. Trying to get a nice sunrise coming in. There's your sunrise. Mort. So you never get to see a sunrise in California. Here's your California sunrise. And come on, find the seatbelt. There we are. Park, drive, move. We have a field trip this morning, 15 minutes before school starts, just like last Wednesday. This particular school, the bell time is 7:45 a.m. Our pickup is at 7:30 a.m. So it should be lots of fun. We're taking electric buses on a field trip, so we're trying to figure out where we're going to stash the lunches. And I think the best plan is, I'm in a 2020 electric. My wife's driving one of our 2018 electric school buses. The 2018 electric school buses don't have the green bumpers or wheels, but they do have a right door emergency exit. So I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll slide the lunches in through there, strap them onto a seat across the aisle, and see how that works for us.